Have you ever thought about how clogged your arteries might be right now? It's a scary thought, right? You may not even feel anything. No warning signs, no pain, but inside, your arteries could be silently building up plaque, making it harder for blood to flow. This is what leads to heart disease, stroke, and other serious health issues. But what if I told you that you could clean your arteries in just a few weeks using simple natural superfoods? Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because I'm going to tell you about 10 incredible superfoods that have the power to help you clear those arteries and feel healthier than ever before. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button if you find this information helpful. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to stay updated with more tips on living a healthy life. Let's take a moment to understand what's happening inside your body. Your arteries are the highways for blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients to all the organs and tissues. When they get clogged with plaque, a mixture of fat, cholesterol, and other substances, this process is called atherosclerosis. Over time, these blockages can restrict blood flow, causing your heart to work harder, and that can lead to serious health problems. But don't panic. The good news is you can take control. By including certain foods in your diet, you can start to reverse the effects of plaque buildup and keep your arteries healthy. If you're finding this information helpful, give that like button a quick tap. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a great time to do that, so you don't miss out on future health tips. Now let's talk about the 10 superfoods that can help you clean your arteries. These foods are packed with nutrients that support heart health, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Including them in your daily meals can give your body the boost it needs to fight plaque buildup and maintain healthy arteries. Avocado. First up, we have avocados. These creamy fruits are rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while raising good cholesterol, HDL. They also contain potassium, which helps manage blood pressure, a major factor in heart health. Adding just half an avocado to your daily meals can help keep your arteries clean and your heart in good shape. 2. Garlic. Next on the list is garlic. It's not just a flavor enhancer. Garlic has powerful properties that support cardiovascular health. Studies show that garlic can help lower blood pressure and reduce cholesterol levels. Plus, it helps to prevent blood clots. So, whether you're adding it to your meals or taking it in supplement form, garlic is an easy and effective way to improve artery health. 3. Berries. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. They also help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Try adding in a handful of berries to your breakfast or snacks every day for a heart-healthy boost. 4. Oats. Oats are one of the best whole grains for heart health. They contain soluble fiber, which helps lower bad cholesterol by binding to it and removing it from the body. Oats can also help regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal, or add oats to smoothies to get your cholesterol in check. 5. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are packed with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known to lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Omega-3s also help to relax and widen the blood vessels, improving blood flow. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week for optimal heart health. 6. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support heart health. It's especially high in nitrates, which help improve blood vessel function and reduce blood pressure. Spinach is also a great source of fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels. You can enjoy spinach in salads, smoothies, or cooked dishes for a healthy heart boost. 7. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, cashews. Nuts, particularly almonds, walnuts, and cashews, are heart-healthy snacks that help clean your arteries. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, which can help lower bad cholesterol and improve blood circulation. Just a small handful of nuts a day can make a big difference in your cardiovascular health. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is key to preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. You can add turmeric to your meals, or even make a warm cup of turmeric tea to enjoy its benefits. 9. Olive oil. Olive oil is another fantastic source of monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. It helps reduce bad cholesterol and prevent inflammation. Studies have shown that people who follow a Mediterranean diet, which is rich in olive oil, have a lower risk of heart disease. Try replacing butter or vegetable oil with olive oil in your cooking to keep your arteries clean. 10. Green tea. Last but not least, green tea. This simple drink is packed with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help reduce cholesterol and improve blood vessel health. Green tea has also been shown to lower blood pressure and reduce inflammation, making it a great beverage choice for anyone looking to keep their arteries healthy. If you're enjoying this content and finding it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out a lot and ensures you get more health tips like this. Now that you know the 10 superfoods that can help clean your arteries, it's time to take action. Start incorporating these foods into your meals, and you'll be doing your heart and arteries a huge favor. But remember, it's not just about eating these foods. You also need to maintain a balanced diet, stay active, manage stress, and get enough sleep. If you start making these small changes, you'll notice improvements in your energy, overall health, and most importantly, the health of your arteries. And the best part? It's never too late to start. Whether you're in your 20s or your 50s, it's always a good time to take charge of your heart health. So, there you have it, 10 superfoods that can help clean your arteries in just weeks. By eating more avocados, garlic, berries, oats, fatty fish, spinach, nuts, turmeric, olive oil, and green tea, you'll be giving your body the nutrients it needs to fight plaque buildup and improve blood flow. Start incorporating them into your diet today, and you'll be on your way to a healthier heart. Thanks for watching. Take care of your heart, and I'll see you in the next video.